Oh boy, I can barely see you guys right now. My glasses are so fogged up. Heat and humidity are not my friends, but we're working on my 2006 Ford Focus wagon here. Now, if you watched our last installment, you'll have seen that I did the paint work on here. Got as much of the surface rust out as I could. Did a little bit of bondoing. I know it's a dirty word in the automotive world, but there were some holes on the other side of the car needed to be done. And this side is done. I'm just waiting for the other side to finish. The Bondo needs to cure before I can sand it down and paint it. So we're going to be doing some interior work now. If you remember when I bought this car, the inside looked really bad. I made the comment that it looked like some piss was in the back seat. Honestly, I don't know what was going on back there, but it's time to get it cleaned up for good. I've tried everything. I've used a number of different solutions on the seats. Carpets are okay, but the seats themselves still have staining on them. I was using solution, scrubbing it in, and then trying to just scrub it off. But today I've got myself a secret weapon. My favorite detailing channel, a fellow Canadian, goes by the channel name of The Detail Geek, and he has quite a plethora of utilities at his disposal. One of them is something like this, not quite the same thing, but this is a Bissell Auto Pro. That's the back of it. There's the front, the AutoCare SpotClean, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to be using this to hopefully get the rest of the staining out and clean it up. On his channel, he gets it almost flawless by using the sort of beefier version of this. So I think I could probably do the same thing. Still can't see you, sorry. So we're going to be filling it up with hot water, putting in the stain removal solution and the actual cleaning solution in there. And we're going to start tackling this car because it really needs a cleaning on the inside, because I think the outside's looking good now. Get the other side done, do the inside. I'll be real happy with it driving around. So let's get to it. I hope you guys can see me. There's no battery left on this stupid GoPro. GoPro really needs to fix that. Hero 8 battery life, terrible. Okay, so I've cleaned up the front. I pulled this out. This is the dirty canister from the Bissell. I actually spilled it all over the place. It's the first time I've used it. Now I'm gonna see, we're outside, so it doesn't matter. I'm gonna try to see that on the camera as I pour it out. Oh yeah. Oh, it's gross. And just think about double that is now on the floor of my garage. So this is all cleaned up. Again, I want to give a big thanks to The Detail Geek. You'll never watch this video, but you are the reason why I bought this, and hopefully I'm going to be able to get everything else cleaned up on it. So check out his channel if you're interested to see some seriously professional details on some of the most disgusting cars you'll ever find. Now that's about it. You'll see some B-roll there before and after, hopefully, if everything films properly. It's better than it was before. I'm happy with it because those seats were pretty bad. So something like this definitely helps, especially if you know what you're doing. You're not like me, you spill it all over the floor. So this could be a valuable asset in your arsenal if you're looking to do interior detailing on carpets and cloth upholstery. We're going to be doing some more stuff on Test Drive Garage over the next little while. Pretty much everything is done now on the Ford Focus. Once you're watching this, it should have already gone and gotten the brakes done. I've fixed the Bondo on the other side and all that, so the car is pretty much done. We're going to start tackling the 2001 BMW 7 Series. So stay tuned for that. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And until next time, thanks for watching and take care.